and it will feel unnatural, but within a few weeks, you will notice a big change. The 5-second rule: stop overthinking and speak faster. Simple habit forces your brain to process English without translation. Being in a situation, in a conversation where you knew what you wanted to say, but your mind froze and you kept thinking. You know what? If you are struggling to speak English, it's not your fault. Yes, you heard me right. You have been learning English for years, but when it's time to speak, boom, words just disappear. Right? It happens to so many learners, and today I'm going to show you a game-changing way to fix this. I know exactly how it feels. You want to say something, but your mind goes blank. You start translating in your head, and by the time you find the words, the moment is gone. It's frustrating, right? There is a simple way to break this cycle. And no, it's not memorizing grammar rules or learning long vocabulary. Listen, imagine if you could speak English without overthinking, just like you speak your native language. Sounds impossible? It's not. There is a secret method that fluent speakers use, and I'm going to teach you in this video. So this is not the usual practice, more advice. This is something different, something powerful, something that will rewire your brain to think and speak in English effortlessly. So stay with me till the end, because I will not only tell you what to do, but I will also show you how to do it step by step. Trust me, after this video, you will never struggle with English again. So are you ready? Hi everyone, my name is Shalima and welcome back to my another session of learning English and improving your English speaking skills with me. So before beginning, please subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the lessons that I post for you on this channel, and please like the video and share it with your friends too. So now guys, coming back to today's video where I'm going to share you a powerful method step by step. So now let's talk about the step number 1. Step number 1 is shift your mindset. Stop translating, start thinking. First, let's break the biggest myth. I need perfect grammar to speak fluently. No! Think about little kids. Do they study grammar before they start speaking? No, they listen, copy and speak. That's exactly what you need to do. Let's talk about the biggest mistake that stops people from speaking fluently: translating words in their head before speaking. Why translating in your head is a problem? Think about it, guys. You hear a question in English. Your brain translates it into your native language. You think of an answer in your native language. Then you try to translate it back into English. By the time you find the words, and it's too late. The conversation has moved on. Or you get stuck, nervous and lose confidence. Fluent speakers don't translate. They think directly in English. And that's exactly what you need to train your brain to do. Here are 3 powerful techniques to help you. First, name the things around you in English every day. Practice naming things around you in English. When you wake up, look around and say, "This is my bed. My pillow is soft. I need to drink water." When you are outside, think, "The sky is cloudy. The car is red. The air feels fresh." This simple habit forces your brain to process English without translating. And ask yourself small questions in English and answer immediately. What did I eat for breakfast? I ate bread and eggs. What am I doing right now? I'm shooting this video. What will I do next? I will go for a walk. Start with simple sentences. The goal is to think quickly and not translate. Use English for your inner thoughts throughout the day. Try to think in English instead of your native language. For instance, if you are feeling tired, so instead of thinking, मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ, change it to, I'm so tired, I need to rest. Make this habit at first and it will feel unnatural, but within a few weeks, you will notice a big change. And from today, stop being afraid of mistakes. English is not about perfection, it's about communication. Focus on expressing, not impressing. So if you keep translating in your head before speaking, you will always be slow. The goal is to think directly in English, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now let's move on to step number 2, the mirror talk method, which will take your speaking skills to the next level. Okay, this is the secret weapon, guys, I can say. Now here is something powerful, which is mirror talk. This technique will make you think in English, boost your confidence and train your brain to speak faster. Have you ever spoken in English in your mind but struggled to say the words out loud? That's where mirror talk comes in. The technique will boost your confidence, train your brain to think in English and improve your fluency all at once. Okay, now let's talk about what is mirror talk. Mirror talk means standing in front of a mirror and speaking to yourself in English. Think of it as a real conversation with yourself, but without fear, without judgment or pressure. So when do you do this? Do this daily. It trains your brain to think in English faster. There will be no time for translating. Speak without hesitation, no pauses, no overthinking, and boost your confidence. Get used to your own voice and improve your pronunciation and body language. Look and sound natural. How to do mirror talk? Let's talk about step by step. Step number 1, stand in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes while speaking. Treat it like you are talking to a friend or audience. Step number 2, pick a simple topic. Okay, pick a simple topic. Describe your day. Today I woke up at 7 a.m., made a coffee and started my work. Talk about your goals. I want to improve my English because I love traveling. Imagine a situation. What would I do if I won $1 million? Start with topics you are comfortable with. Then challenge yourself with more difficult ones. Alright, now let's talk about the step number 3, set a timer. If you are a beginner, speak for 1 minute. If you are an intermediate, speak for 3 to 5 minutes. If you are advanced, then speak for 10 minutes. The key is to keep speaking without stopping. Even if you make mistakes, keep going. Let's talk about the step number 4. Focus on your expression and body language. Are you looking confident? Are you speaking too fast or too slow? Are your lips and tongues moving correctly? When you see yourself speaking, you become aware of your mistakes, and that's how you improve, guys. Now let's talk about step number 5. Record yourself. Your phone, this is the bonus tip which I'm going to share you guys. Use your phone to record a short video. Watch it and notice what you can improve. Compare your recordings weekly to see your progress. And here's what you do, guys. Stand in front of a mirror and start talking. Describe your day, your thoughts, or even tell a story. The key, don't stop, don't switch to your native language, and don't worry about mistakes. At first, it will feel weird, but trust me, guys, within days, you will notice a massive improvement. And why mirror talk works like magic? It forces you to think in English because you have to keep talking. It removes hesitation, no fear of judgment. It improves self-confidence, and you get used to hearing your own voice in English. And it builds fluency faster because you are training your mouth muscles to speak smoothly. Now, let's talk about your challenge. Okay, this is the challenge which I am going to give you, guys. Start mirror talk today. Stand in front of a mirror and speak for 1 minute now, and then come back and tell me in the comment how did it feel. Okay, Remember guys, fluency is not about perfection. It's about speaking more and fearing less. Now let's move on to step number 3. The 5-second rule. Stop overthinking and speak faster. Okay? This is the 5-second rule which I'm going to share you guys. Have you ever been in a situation, in a conversation where you knew what you wanted to say but your mind froze and you kept thinking, is this correct? What if I make mistake? And by the time you were ready to speak, the moment was gone. That's overthinking and it's killing your fluency, guys. What is 5-second rule? It's so simple. It's so simple, guys. When you get a chance to speak in English, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and speak. No waiting, no overthinking, no hesitation. Why? Because if you wait too long, self-doubt will take over. Your brain will start saying, what if I make a mistake? What if they don't understand me? What if I sound stupid? And then you stay silent. But when you count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and just start speaking, you bypass your fear and train your brain to respond quickly, just like fluent speakers do. How to apply the 5-second rule? Step by step. Okay, step number 1, use it in daily conversation. Whenever someone asks you a question in English, don't wait. Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in your mind and answer immediately. Alright? How was your weekend? Now, what you have to do? Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and it was great. I went to park and relaxed. Now question, what do you do? Then again you have to count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and give reply. I work in marketing and I love it. The more you do this, the more natural it becomes. Step number 2 is practice with rapid questions. Stand in front of a mirror or with a friend. Ask yourself quick questions. Give yourself 5 seconds to answer. And try these questions. What's your favorite food? Describe your dream vacation. What's one thing you love about learning English? What did you do yesterday? What are you doing right now? No thinking, just speaking. This will train your brain to respond instantly, just like a native speakers. But don't worry guys, there is a simple trick to fix this. The 5-second rule which I have told you. Now step 3, use it for self-talk. Whenever you feel stuck while speaking, don't pause for too long. Take a deep breath, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Say the first thing that comes to mind. Even if your sentence is imperfect, still keep going. Example, I'll give you one example. Instead of thinking, how should I say this sentence correctly? Just say, I went to market, it was fun, I buy vegetables. At first, it won't be perfect. That's okay. The more you speak, the better you get. Ever hesitated while speaking? Here is a simple trick, the 5-second rule. Whenever you want to say something in English, don't wait more than 5 seconds. Just start speaking. Why? Because overthinking kills fluency. Right? This is how you should practice speaking English. Simple, direct and without fear. How to apply the talk like a child method? I'll share you the steps. Step number 1, use simple words and short sentences. You don't need fancy words to sound fluent. Fluency is about clarity, not complexity. Instead of, the weather is extremely unpredictable today, which makes planning outdoor activities quite difficult. You can say simply, the weather is strange today. I don't know if I can go outside. Simple. Guys, simple. Don't go in a complicated way. Use simple words. Don't go and choose fancy words. Choose simple words because you want to improve your English. You are not going to impress someone. Alright. If I say if you are going to impress someone, then first improve your English. Alright, no pausing, no stopping, no thinking too much. Just keep speaking even if they make mistakes. So keep going, guys. Now guys, that's it for today's video, and I think you liked the video, and if you like the video, please give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.